Cowboy's Hobble by Puzzle Master, where the goal is to free this ring. We cannot go this way, ball is too big, and going the other way will be exactly the same. That does not work. Okay. We have this big loop. At the end of this big loop we have a small loop, and we have, I want to say, the opening, a big opening. How to do it? We're going to bring back the rope through the opening, just a little, like that. Now I take the ring going to pass through the opening and around this little loop. Donc, through the opening, around the little loop, I pull and I'm here. Now I'm going to move the ring around the loop this way. Donc I pass the big opening, I move the ring, and now I can pass through the big opening, and like you can see we have successfully freed the ring. To put back, donc the rope go through, we have the ring pass above this, around, like this way. I move the ring along the loop until I'm here, move around the big opening. Now the ring going to move through the opening and around the small loop. Donc, around, okay. You can see, bring back on the other side, you pull, and we have successfully put back together the puzzle. If you want Cowboy's Hobble for yourself, feel free to check Puzzle Master, link in the descriptions.